Alzheimer's is a disease that affects millions of people worldwide, gradually destroying memory and cognitive abilities. It's a devastating condition that requires significant emotional and financial commitment from both patients and their families. Taking care of someone with Alzheimer's can be particularly challenging because the disease progresses slowly but relentlessly, eventually leading the patient to require constant care. Despite decades of research and hundreds of clinical trials, there is still no definitive cure or effective treatment that can prevent the onset of the disease. Alzheimer's accounts for 60 to 80% of dementia cases globally. Dementia is a general term used to describe a range of conditions that affect memory, cognitive skills, and daily functioning. Most people with Alzheimer's begin to notice symptoms around the age of 60, typically experiencing mild memory problems, such as forgetting appointments or losing track of a conversation. As the disease progresses, more significant changes may appear, including mood swings, increased anxiety, agitation, and difficulty coping with new or unpredictable situations. Over time, symptoms worsen, and the person with Alzheimer's may need round-the-clock care. In rare cases, the disease is caused by a specific inherited genetic variant, but most of the time, it results from a complex interaction of multiple genes, environmental factors, and lifestyle choices. This makes it impossible to predict who will develop the disease. The pathological process that leads to Alzheimer's is long and often begins 1 or 2 decades before noticeable symptoms appear, making it incredibly difficult for scientists to pinpoint exactly what triggers it and what mechanisms cause the symptoms. Thanks to ongoing research, we are beginning to better understand this process. Initially, scientists observed that the brains of Alzheimer's patients show abnormal buildups of a substance called beta amyloid. This compound is created when a larger protein, called amyloid precursor protein, breaks down. APP plays a crucial role in the brain, aiding in the growth and repair of neurons. However, in people with Alzheimer's, APP is thought to be improperly cleaved, leading to beta amyloid byproducts that tend to clump together. These clumps of beta amyloid form plaques that accumulate between neurons, interfering with normal brain communication. However, the presence of these plaques doesn't fully explain the disease. While all Alzheimer's patients have plaques, not everyone with these plaques develops dementia. Additionally, the severity of symptoms doesn't always correlate with the extent of plaque buildup in the brain. In the 1980s, another potential culprit was identified, the tau protein. Under normal conditions, tau helps support the internal structure of neurons, keeping them in shape. However, in Alzheimer's patients, tau becomes altered, making it toxic and prone to clumping into tangles within the neurons. These tau tangles are damaging and lead to the death of nerve cells. In patients, amyloid plaques usually form before tau tangles, but it's still unclear whether amyloid plaques cause tau to malfunction. To complicate matters further, recent studies have shown that Alzheimer's is closely linked to changes in the function of brain immune cells called microglia. Other research suggests that the disease may also be caused by problems in synapses, the communication points between neurons. Additionally, changes in how the brain produces and uses energy might be another underlying factor. All of this suggests that Alzheimer's is likely caused by a complex cascade of events, and understanding the exact sequence of events and how to stop them once they begin will require more research. Nonetheless, there are steps patients can take to better manage symptoms. Staying active, learning new skills, and engaging in daily activities such as household chores seem to slow disease progression. Certain medications that target neurotransmitters, the brain's signaling molecules, can also help slow memory loss and improve learning and reasoning. Scientists are also developing new therapies. For instance, drugs targeting beta amyloid have shown promising results in slowing the disease and reducing plaque accumulation in the brain. While Alzheimer's won't disappear anytime soon, continued research offers hope for better treatments and perhaps one day prevention. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any content, and thanks for watching this video.